The first humans in Morocco. Why Morocco is one of the birthplaces of early humans. When people hear about the origin of humanity, they often think of East Africa. But what if I told you that one of the oldest known members of our own species was discovered in Morocco? This remarkable discovery changed the story of human evolution forever. Morocco before civilization. Around 300,000 years ago, long before kingdoms, pyramids, or written history, Morocco looked very different. The climate was cooler and wetter than today. Vast grasslands covered much of the landscape, attracting elephants, gazelles, zebras, rhinos, and other wildlife. Unlike today's arid environment, prehistoric Morocco was a fertile land that could support both people and wildlife. The discovery that shocked the world. In the 1960s, archaeologists excavating at Jebel Irhoud found ancient bones and stone tools. At first, researchers believed the remains were around 40,000 years old. In 2017, scientists announced that the fossils were approximately 300,000 years old, making them among the oldest known fossils attributed to Homo sapiens, our own species. This discovery pushed back the known age of Homo sapiens by roughly 100,000 years. The scientists found skull fragments, teeth, a nearly complete lower jaw, limb bones, finely crafted stone tools, animal bones, bearing signs of butchering, evidence of controlled use of fire. These finds painted a vivid picture of people who hunted, made sophisticated tools, cooked food, and adapted to their environment. Why? Jebel Irhoud changed human history. Before this discovery, many scientists believed Homo sapiens first appeared only in East Africa around 200,000 years ago. The Moroccan fossils showed that early Homo sapiens were already spread across different parts of Africa much earlier. What did these early humans look like? Scientists reconstructed the faces of the Jebel Irhoud people. They found that their faces looked surprisingly modern. Their brains were about the same size as ours. Their skulls were longer and more elongated than those of modern humans. This suggests that, while they were clearly Homo sapiens, our species continued to evolve over many thousands of years. Daily life? 300,000 years ago. Imagine waking up in prehistoric Morocco. There were no cities, farms, or roads. People lived in small groups, hunted wild animals, gathered edible plants, and likely used fire for cooking and protection. They crafted sharp stone tools and cooperated to survive in a landscape shared with large predators. The discovery at Jebel Irhoud reinforces Africa's central place in human history. It reminds us that the story of humanity is not limited to one region of the continent. Morocco, alongside places such as Olduvai Gorge and Omo Kibish Formation, is part of the larger African story of human origins. Long before the rise of Egypt, Carthage, or the great kingdoms of Africa, humans were already living, hunting, and mastering fire in what is now Morocco.